Samsung has launched its new entry-level phone under M series in India called Galaxy M05. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M05 features a tall 6.7-inch HD Plus display, with a U-shaped notch at the top center, that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy M05 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with One UI Core 6.0 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 2 years of OS upgrades, and 4 years of security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features an face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.8 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M05 has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in mint green color option. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M05 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.